Let us watch the video about internal organs. See, this is our body. In this picture you can see the location of different internal organs. Let us see one set of internal organs. We say lungs. See, you can see the lungs, and inside the lungs you can see heart in between. That is the heart. And down diaphragm, and next stomach. See here, this is the stomach, and next small intestine is here, and down the upper part it is large intestine. So these are the different internal organs. We can see one by one in detail. Here you can see the brain, where the brain is located. See, inside the head. So each organ has its own duty or its own work, function. Each one has different function. So see, the brain you can see, lungs you can see, all the internal organs. So now in this pic you got a clear idea the different position of the internal organs. Lungs, and see, brain, and here lungs, and here liver, and that intestines. See the position of our brain. The top of our head, and brain has different parts, and main function of brain is for the all control of all the other organs, muscles, bones, and everything, our thinking and whatever action we have to do, and the function of other organs, everything is controlled by our brain. See, here you can see exact the position of lungs. You can see two lungs. See, two lungs, and in between lungs you can see a pipe, that is a windpipe. So through the windpipe the air enters to the lungs, and the main function of the lungs is to take oxygen, filter oxygen, and release carbon dioxide. So these lungs are located in the chest cavity. This upper part is called chest cavity. So inside the chest cavity you can see the lungs, and the lungs are protected by some rib cage is there around the lungs. You can see in another picture, I will show you. So inside the rib cage only lungs are located. And see, below the lungs you can see one mass, the sheet. This sheet is muscular sheet is called diaphragm. Diaphragm helps in the to take air inside and to give out air outside, and not only that, it supports the lungs. See, here you can see one pipe, that is the food pipe, and this food pipe reaches to the stomach, and above the stomach one dark brown color thing, that is the liver. So liver is located above the stomach in triangular shape, and stomach is in J shape. So stomach in stomach only doing the function of digestion of food, that is the function of stomach, and it is present in the abdominal cavity. This cavity is called the abdominal part. This side is abdominal side, and the upper side is chest or thoracic cavity. There are only lungs, and down is stomach. So the function of stomach is digestion of food, and function of liver. See, liver is so big, and adult liver is almost 1.5 kg. That much big it is, liver. And the main function of liver is that it will produce digestive juice, bile, and some other purification of toxins. A lot of functions are done by liver. So the liver is very big, and its main function is produce bile and for the digestion of fat, and the digestive juice is released to small intestine. See the starting of small intestine, it is the starting of small intestine. So here the bile is released and the digestion of fat occurs. See, here you can see two kidneys. So these are the kidneys, and kidneys are bean shape, beans, no, in that shape only kidneys, and kidneys are located at the back side of the stomach, and its main function is to purify blood. It filter all that waste from the blood and make it as urine and release outside. That's the function of the kidneys. See, in this pic you can see the heart, and the beating of heart also you can see. Here the heart also is located in the chest cavity. Heart is located in the chest cavity between the lungs. Between the lungs, and the size of the heart is our fist. Fist means just we will keep like this much only, the size of our heart. Each one's fist size is the size of the heart, and the main function of the heart is just to pump the blood. Heart pumps the blood to all over the body. The next two organs are small intestine and large intestine. See, the inside you can see so many pipe-like structures coiled and tightly packed. They are called small intestine, and it is just after the stomach. The food reaches stomach, then goes to the small intestine, and around the small intestine you can see one big pipe, that is the large intestine. So the function of small intestine is the absorption of digested food. Digested food is absorbed by the walls of the small intestine, and around that the large intestine is there. It stores the undigested food. Whatever the undigested, it pushed to the large intestine, and from there the water is reabsorbed, and then it is collected in the last part of here, the large intestine last part, and when it is get filled, it will eject out. The next two organs are bones and muscles. The major part, almost the entire part of our body, is covered by these bones and muscles. Bones you can see inside, and all the bones are covered by muscles. Let us see what are the different muscles and what is the function of the muscles. See, muscles help us to play, to jump, to move, and to do things. Everything is done with the help of muscles. See the muscles of that man. See, muscles help for the movement of the bones and movement of the entire body. So these brown color, those are the muscles. The bones are covered by muscles. You can see the bones here. See, these are the bones. So bones give our body definite structure and some rigid. It is very, very strong. Bones are very, very strong. There are 206 bones, and see the joint, finger joints. Joints are there, not a single bone. Our body is not made up of a single bone. So many bones are joined together, and this is the rib cage. See, middle you can see, this is the rib cage. Inside the rib cage only the heart and lungs are located. See, these are the muscles. See, these bones help to give the structure